This is the intelligence dashboard. Most platforms stop at open rates. This one watches your market, competitor activity, share of voice, and your own funnel side by side. The goal is simple. When something changes out there, you find out here, not in next quarter's retro. The competitors surface. Add a competitor by name and channel, set a threat level, and the platform starts watching their public activity. Hartwell tracks 3. For each one, we see posting cadence, themes, and momentum. When a competitor ships a campaign that lands, you'll know the same week with the receipts in front of you. Intelligence you can't act on is trivia. From any competitor signal, the AI drafts a counterposition, a post or an email angle that answers their move in your voice. Like every AI output here, the draft carries its confidence and reasoning, and a human approves it before anything ships. The machine drafts, you decide. Now your own numbers. The funnel report tracks subscribers from first touch to converted, stage by stage. You see exactly where people stall. If 1,000 subscribers opened but only 40 clicked, the report points at the middle of your funnel, and now you know this week's job. The rest of the reporting suite. Heat maps show where engagement clusters by hour and day, so you schedule sends when your audience is actually reading. Retention shows cohort decay over time. Attribution ties revenue back to the campaigns that earned it, across multiple touches, not just the last click. None of this exists to look impressive on a wall monitor. Each report answers one operating question. Where do I spend the next hour of marketing effort? Next video, production setup, domains, Microsoft 365, billing, and the compliance surfaces that make IT and legal comfortable.